Welcome to Business with Joe, the ultimate destination for passionate individuals who share a common interest. Today, we're diving into the world of niche community forums and how you can not only build a thriving community but also make some income doing what you love. Imagine a space where enthusiasts from around the globe connect, share ideas, and build relationships based on a shared passion. That's the magic of niche community forums. But let's get down to business. How can you turn your passion into profit? Here are some ingenious ideas to make your forum financially sustainable. 1. Membership subscriptions. Consider offering exclusive premium memberships. Members get access to special content, early releases, and a badge of honor, all while supporting the community they love. 2. Sponsored content. Partner with brands relevant to your niche. They can sponsor posts, threads, or even the entire forum, helping you generate income while keeping the content engaging. 3. Merchandise store. Why not create and sell merchandise related to your community? T-shirts, mugs, stickers. Your members get cool gear, and you get a stream of income. 4. Premium content. Offer in-depth guides, tutorials, or e-books related to your niche. Your community members get valuable insights, and you get a revenue stream. 5. Events and webinars. Host virtual events, webinars, or workshops. Charge a fee for access, and provide an immersive experience for your community. It's a win-win. Building a niche community forum isn't just about creating a space. It's about fostering connections, sharing knowledge, and, yes, even making some extra income along the way. So, whether you're into gaming, gardening, or galaxy exploration, there's a niche community waiting for you to explore. Get started today and turn your passion into a thriving online community. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, happy connecting!